My name's Mark and I work with Leadership and Competence based here in Philadelphia. I've actually been with IKEA since March of 1988 when I joined in North London, and I've had some amazing jobs with IKEA. I'm hoping I can share a few stories around that today. Do you know, my first memory of IKEA was really being interviewed. I didn't know much about the company. There was a building site in North London, close to Wembley Stadium. I went along, I was interviewed by the country manager, and I just realized there's a sense of energy and something special happening here, and I was pretty excited. Well, my journey has taken me just about all the way around the world. I did different roles in the UK. I got the chance to move to Sweden, where I was a product developer for 4 years. And I got to travel around the world, visit lots of different suppliers and countries, and that was actually quite a big adventure. And then somebody asked if I was interested in coming to the United States. And I did a series of roles, still based here in Philadelphia, but with responsibility for ordering catalogue pages, for pricing in Canada. I was involved with lots of store openings. And about 8 or 9 years ago, I got the chance to move into people and culture and really focus on leadership development, coaching and mentoring. My favourite product from a personal perspective is ergonomic pillows, and that is made of such a high quality memory style foam. It still is my favourite product, and I think it's really important for everyone at IKEA to have at least one favourite product that they can talk to customers about, because that kind of personal recommendation usually ends up in the sale. The most meaningful product, to be honest, is one that I put into the range in 1997, and it's still called Dignitet Steel Wire. It took a lot of work to get it into the range, and since then we have sold literally hundreds and thousands of those products. But it was a lot of fun when we successfully got it into the range, and the fact that it's been so useful, such a good home furnishing product, that makes me feel pretty good. On the opening day for Brent Park store, which was slated to be the biggest store that we'd ever opened, we were expecting it to be a big success. Ingvar was there on the opening day. He was active all day. The opening day was madness. But we had planned a co-worker party for about 9:30 that evening. There were still customers in the store. I think there were still customers for the next couple of days, to be honest. But we wanted to still have the party start for the co-workers. But because we were still serving customers, we had to figure out how we did that. And the party started at 9:30. Ingvar Kamprad and Anders Moberg, who was the deputy CEO of the company at the time, was still in self-serve and full-serve picking orders. And that felt special. I think a lot of people appreciated, wow, that's where they are right now. Well, now that I know that I'm going to retire in the spring, I know that I've got some very exciting projects still to complete and finish. But I will be looking forward to still being able to develop some of my coaching skills to practice after I've retired. So I'm quite looking forward to that.